In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook account. So let's get started. Open Facebook, then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then into the drop-down list go to Settings and Privacy. Once you open Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. Then into the Settings section, click on Privacy in the drop-down menu on the left side. Once you open the Privacy menu, go to the Your Facebook Information section. Then into the Your Facebook Information section, click on Deactivation and Deletion. Then a window will appear where you have to choose whether to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. Just choose Delete Account if you want to delete your Facebook account permanently. Then click on Continue to Account Deletion. If you need here, you can download or transfer a copy of your information. Once you finish with this step, click on Delete Account. Then we'll ask you to enter your password to confirm that this is your account. Once you enter your password, click on Continue. And then click on Delete Account to confirm the permanent deletion of your Facebook account. Now your Facebook account is deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.